Sal, it looks great. We were here about 5 weeks ago. You had your workers in here. It was a construction zone, but now you called me yesterday letting me know that the place is actually, someone's going to be moving in soon, and we wanted to make sure that we saw the final product before they moved in.
Welcome back, guys.
Sure.
The place looks great. I'm very satisfied with the outcome of this. Somebody actually rented it, signed the lease I listed it on Zelle, and it went for $2,900.
And it's a 1-bed, 1-bath in prime Pasadena. We're right near Lake and Caltech.
Right, yeah.
When Sal bought the building, the unit wasn't in bad shape. It was decent. It was probably a $2,200-$2,300 unit the way it was.
Yeah.
And now we're like $700 higher than that. And I still think you might have given the person a better than average deal.
Right.
For the unit. So yeah, show us around. It looks fantastic. It was truly a pleasure representing the sale of this property for my client. His total investment came out to approximately $40,000. And while the unit was perfectly fine before, he wanted to elevate it and really maximize the rental potential. He upgraded the space with brand new appliances, a fully renovated kitchen, beautiful gold bathroom fixtures, modern finishes throughout, and even added an in-unit laundry area, which tenants absolutely love. He also installed a very cool accent wall that really tied the entire unit together and gave it a more upscale feel. Because of these thoughtful upgrades, he was able to secure an excellent tenant at $2,900 per month, whereas prior to the renovations, the unit would have likely rented for significantly less. A strategic renovation and a strong return on investment.